Hello, welcome back. This is Mirabella, the young super cute fashionista TV. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I will be sharing with you how I made my homemade soya milk using two methods. The first thing I need is to soak the beans for at least 6 hours. And you can also soak it overnight to be more easier. While the beans is soaked, you will notice that the soaked beans will expand between 2 to 3 times in size. So once the beans are soaked, I can now then optionally peel the beans. This is necessary, although it will help to blend smoother homemade soya milk and only add a couple of extra time. After soaking the beans, the skin will come off very easily. So next, I will add these soaked beans into a high-speed blender for just 10 to 15 seconds to break down the seed slightly. Then I will add water. This very first method, I will add milk and blend again until smooth and creamy. So I'm going to then now strain into a large bowl. So now I will transfer the entire mixture into this saucepan and bring to a boil over medium heat as I stand over the pot during this process and stir often. When the mixture starts boiling, I will make sure I continue to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. So while boiling, I will remove the foam that starts floating on the top. So I'm going to reduce the heat and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Occasionally, I will continue to be stirring to make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom of the pot. So next, I'm going to turn off and leave to cool down for a few minutes. So now, I will then now transfer to a bottle. So the second method, I will be using blending with water and sugar. So I added vanilla flavor. So I'm going to repeat the same process. So I will be using about 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar. So now I will then now pour the milk liquid in a bowl through a nut milk bag. I will squeeze or press down the nut milk bag so all the liquid drain into the bowl. Please, while making soya milk and you're squeezing it, wear a glove. So this can now then be transferred to a bottle. So I will store the homemade soya milk in the fridge for 3 to 5 days. You can also freeze in the soya milk for 3 to 6 months. However, this can slightly affect the texture of the milk, though not the nutrition. So guys, if you like my recipe, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Kindly support by sharing, support by liking and commenting. Drop me your comment on the comment section. And thanks to all my subscribers and to all my return viewers. I say God bless you all and keep watching my video. Thanks and God bless you all. And see you all in my next video. Bye.